I have the Redmi Watch 4, and in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to unpair your watch from your phone. So it's very simple. Simply go to your phone and launch the MyFitness app, and then tap on device, and you should see your Redmi Watch 4. Now, if you don't see it, you can tap on manage your devices and make sure you select the correct device. Okay, so currently we're on the Redmi Watch 4, so scroll all the way to the bottom until you see unpair, and you can tap on that, and that's going to give you this prompt. You lose any unsynced data on Redmi Watch 4. Continue anyway, so just tap on continue, and you'll feel or hear the watch vibrate. And then now let's go ahead and turn off Bluetooth so that it doesn't keep telling us to repair, and that's it. Now you'll notice when you unpair your watch from your phone, it's gonna reset back to factory settings. Okay, thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.